Hello, welcome there. Question number 42, NOV-DEC. In the diagram, the MNT is a tangent to the circle at N. Then the angle PQN is 38 degrees. The angle QNT is 66 degrees. We have to find the angle PNQ. PNQ. This very angle. Alright, we can just solve it in two ways. I'll use one of those ways. We are aware that this angle here will be equal to this angle. Angle from between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the opposite segment, or the angle in alternate segment property. So this angle is the same as this angle. The same way, the angle here is between a chord PN and a tangent. Therefore, it is also equal to what? 38. So I can just use that property to get what I'm looking for. So I can say angle PQN. PQN is equal to the angle MNP. MNP, which is equal to what? 38 degrees. What property? We are going to have the same property here, so let's put the second one. Then we can also say that and the angle QPN will be equal to the angle QNT, which is what? 66. So this one equals to this equals to this. So now we can state the property. The property is angles between a chord and a tangent is what? Equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Better still, you can say the alternate segment what? Property. So if that is clear, then I can say that the angle here and the angle here I am looking for, this is going to be 38, and I'm looking for this angle. So if this is x, you see these three angles are going to be angles on a straight line. I can use that property. So I only say that, let me just, since I've described the angles already, I'll be using the angle 38 plus the angle I am asked to find plus the angle 66 will give me what? 180, which will be angles on a straight line. So this will mean that your angle P and Q will be equal to 180 minus 38 plus what? 66, all in degree. So this will be 180 degree minus 90, 104 degree. When you subtract, you still have 76 degree. And if that's the case, the option C become the preferred solution. Remember, after knowing these angles up to this place, or just knowing this one, you could add this plus this equals 180. As the sum of angles in what? A triangle. You come back to the same property and the same answer. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.